now we want to move on to Screeches. Screeches for me, when I started to make them when I was younger, that were a bit of a mysterium to me because I wanted to achieve like the professional sound in a way that I liked. But I always was like over detuning sounds, and it was like all of a mess all over the place. And today I want to show you cool ways to make screeches that will sound unique, that will sound clean. And let's just open up like here, silent. Let's hop in. First of all, I set it up on a basic saw, so nothing really fancy. First of all, set this up to 8 voices. I'm not going with a real formula here, just making it on the fly, but that's some things I learned over the years I want to show you. So back in the days, I was just doing this, maybe 8 voices here, another saw. Yeah, that's detuned, but if you distort that even further, it's just noise. And sometimes that's cool, but I want to make a real clean screech, so don't over detune it. Just like that. Oh, by the way, the re-triggering is starting every time at the same point. And if you disable that, all 8 voices will start on a different place, and this will sound white already. Let's distort it maybe in silence. I want to have 1 octave lower when I play, so just do that. Do a filter. Down the EQ, a bit of a resonance. And over here, I want to implement more pitch modulation, but just gently. Maybe a bit more grittier. And then I want to make an attack. And do it the pitch bend, so I can. But now the magic starts when I implement the second oscillator. This sounds cool already, but what I want to show you, you can detune it by 1 semitone and mix it in so it gets more detuned without getting detuned in a technical way. You hear what's happening? Now I'm kind of happy what I have with silence, so let's hop into the post-processing. First of all, I want to have an EQ, just in case I want to form the distortion a little bit more. And now our main boy, the Mistortion 2. Let's deactivate. Let's make it 1 octave up. Maybe add resonance. Yeah, that's cool. Just let's do a random pattern out of it, nothing too fancy, but the things I'm going to show you will work when I press those buttons, so I have to make a loop out of it so Logic can scan through the plugins. Yeah, so something like that. Let's modulate the pitch bend a little bit. I don't know, just let's try something. Something like that. And now you can start adding a phaser.